This first step is optional if you want to add a little bit of color and decoration to your chocolate. We wanted to add a little bit of red and a little bit of blue, so that's what we chose for ours, but this is completely optional. Again, you just get some white chocolate chips and you add a little bit of food coloring if you want to add some color to your chocolate bar. Let that set in the fridge and start working on the filling. So first we want the pistachio cream, and we're going to be adding in some tahini, which is going to give it a really nice nutty flavor. And do not forget the salt, because the salt's going to really add a nice balance to the filling. Then you're going to mix it all together and set it aside. Now we're going to melt the chocolate for the bar. This needs to happen pretty quickly before it gets hard again, so you want to make sure that you are rubbing it all around and getting it up on the sides and creating your chocolate bar. Once you're done, it goes back in the fridge to set again. And now we can work on the pastry. This was the most time-consuming part of the recipe. It took a good 10 to 15 minutes to get it nice and brown. Now we are ready to assemble our filling. Give it a good stir again, and it should look something like this. Now we fill our chocolate bar. I may have overfilled ours a little bit. And last but not least, we melt the chocolate again so that we can create the outer shell for the chocolate bar. And when it's done, we put it back in the fridge to set again. I was so nervous that it wasn't going to come out, but oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. I cannot believe how beautiful this is. Okay, time for the big reveal. Let's see what it looks like inside. Wow, that looks so good. It's so crunchy. It has really nice nutty flavor. It's not too sweet. The salt really balances it out. Oh my gosh. So, a lot of these viral trends on TikTok don't work out and they're not worth it, but this one is so worth it. So good.